Nung panahon ni PRRD, ang liwanag-liwanag at ang lakas nung sinabi niya, "Not under my watch. Gusto
Hmm.
kong makaranas ang Pilipino ng malinis na halalan." So, where is Bongbong Marcos in all of this, 'di ba? There is a clamor for a manual recount, and you have an arrogant COMELEC chair who doesn't know how to listen to the Filipino people, who is not following laws. And once again, ano, that Marcos trademark of saying to the people, the message is that walang batas, kami ang batas. Walang
Yes.
batas para kay George
Yes.
Garcia. No, siya ang batas. Imagine, no? Papayag tayo. Oy, George Garcia, tao ka din, hindi ka Diyos, okay? Pero ang kumakaasta, kala mo Diyos, di ba? Kala mo forever ka in power. You're also made of lupa ka lang, George. Bakit ka lasing na lasing? So ito yung nakakagimbal dito sa kasi si George Garcia has a very alarming manner, no? Alarming trait. Like for instance with legitimate na complaints, issues like the one that Attorney Harold Respicio brought out. What was his response? He filed a case against Attorney Respicio, and then to disbar him also and to take away his license as a CPA, when in fact the issues that Attorney Respicio was were bringing up were very legitimate issues. Why, George? Are you trying to hide something? What
Yeah.
is it? What are you trying to hide? Ha, George? Na
Yes.
ginagawa mo yan. And in fact, Attorney Respicio came out again with the last minute expose about that audit thing inside the automated machines that George Garcia has not even responded to. 'Di ba? What you're looking at right now is a tyrant. And his
Yes.
boss, Bongbong Marcos, is allowing it. Why?
Mm.
Because Bongbong Marcos
Yeah.
is weak. He's a very weak president. No, I cannot even call
Yeah.
him president. So, this is what George Garcia is inflicting on the Filipino people.